So I've tried nearly every email marketing tool out there, and most of them get expensive quickly once your list starts growing. But I now found one that offers unlimited emails, unlimited subscribers, and stunning templates at a fraction of the price of most others. The email marketing tool I'm talking about is called Flodesk, and in this video I'll show you what it looks like, how it works, and share some of my best Flodesk email marketing tips along the way. So whether you're just curious what this tool can do, or maybe you're thinking about switching to Flodesk, this video got you covered. And if you want to try out Flodesk, make sure to use my link in the description, because that link gives you 50% off your first year with Flodesk, plus free access to my email marketing university that I created. So before creating your first newsletter with Flodesk, make sure to check out Flodesk's pre-designed templates. There are nearly 100 available. And using a template saves you time and also helps you explore Flodesk's design possibilities. And you can also send plain text emails if you prefer that. There are 4 different designs here, as you can see. And the templates are highly customizable. Inside the email editor, for example, you can tweak the design by modifying the layout with hundreds of options. As you can see, there's a very long list of options how you can tweak the design. So let's have a look at this one, or this one, this one. We got testimonial styles like this one. There are a lot of options, as you can see. You can also create image collages like this or like this. And you can also adjust the image shape. So for example, if I click on this image, you can tweak it to a different shape really easily. So you don't have to do anything inside Photoshop, for example. You can also import images directly from Unsplash or Canva, saving you some time to do it manually. And when you're ready with your email, make sure to first test your email. And to do so, you go to the top left corner here, click the test email icon, enter your email address and click send test now. You can also preview the email for desktop and mobile. And you can also preview the email in your browser. Just go back to your Flodesk dashboard, find your email, click on the 3 dots and select view in browser. And this link can also be shared with others, even those without Flodesk access, so they can review and preview feedback on the email you created. So tip number 3, so let's say we're sending this email and let's say we want to add a testimonial block to this email. So I'm going to click on layouts and I'm going to choose this layout, so this testimonial layout. I'm going to add it to my newsletter. So if you think you'll use this testimonial again in a future email, you don't have to recreate this same testimonial again in the future. Just click the heart icon to save this block. And now the block is saved to your favorites. Later, in a new email, when you want to add that same block again that you created, click the plus icon, go to favorites, and here you'll find your favorite blocks ready to use. And on a quick side note, testimonials aren't just nice to have. In copywriting, they act as social proof. That's what it's called, helping you build trust and credibility with your audience by showing real experiences from happy customers, hopefully. And speaking of copywriting, if you want to learn more about persuasive writing techniques, make sure to grab this free cheat sheet I created on all the different kinds of copywriting triggers. So consistency is key in email marketing, right? And instead of creating new emails from scratch each time, you should use templates or duplicate past emails to streamline your workflow. So with Flodesk, you have a couple of options. Let me walk you through them. So the first option is to create an email template. So design your email once and then you can save it as a favorite in Flodesk. So let's say this is the email design we want to use for all our future emails. Simply click the heart icon here over here to save it to your favorite. Then give it a clear name like weekly newsletter, for example. And then when sending a new email, you can just select your past template that you created from your My Favorites tab over here. And now you can customize your weekly newsletter template that you created. Then we have option number 2, which is to duplicate a past email. So when you're in your Flodesk dashboard, you can filter your emails on send emails. Then the moment you've found the email that you want to duplicate, simply click the 3 dots at the top right corner of an email, click on duplicate, and now you can edit the duplicate to your liking before sending. A little warning here, duplicating emails keeps old content obviously, so double check before sending to avoid outdated information. Then another great way to organize your newsletters inside Flodesk is by using folders, and not all email marketing tools offer this. So you can create a new folder. So for example, you can create a folder for your weekly newsletters, and for example, you can create a folder for your Black Friday emails or your Christmas promotion emails to quickly access those emails and reuse seasonal content. So the entire idea here is by using templates, duplication, and folders, you'll save some time and ensure consistency in your email marketing. Tip number 5. Another handy feature inside Flodesk is its branding features. So we're going to go to branding at the top right corner over here. I'm going to click on branding. And over here we can set up our logo, our brand colors, the fonts we're using, the company details, the company address, any social links we have. And again, this will save you time when creating emails and pages in the future. And if you need some inspiration for your brand color, so if you don't have any brand colors yet, make sure to use this website. So this is a handy tool, coolors.co, which is a color generator. So I'm going to click on Start the Generator, and here you can find colors that match. If you click on the top right corner over here, you can also click the Explore tab, and you can find the trending colors, for example, or popular colors. You can also choose a specific style. So again, this is back to that consistency, right? You want to have some consistency in your emails, including the colors. Also, if your brand uses a specific font, you can also upload the font if you want. So one of the best ways to grow your email list with email marketing is by offering a freebie, such as a guide, a template, a coupon code, or a mini course in exchange for an email. So here's how you can create a freebie sign-up form inside Flodesk. Go to Forms, click New Form. So similar with the newsletter designs, Flodesk offers a lot of different form designs, as you can see. I can scroll through them. As you can see, there are literally hundreds of different designs. So if you're selling products online, a coupon code works really well, which is also easy to implement. But in my case, I'm going to create a landing page for this free puppy schedule I'm going to give away as the freebie. So this is basically a chapter out of one of my books I wrote. If you didn't know, I wrote dog training books. So this is a chapter where I walk people through a schedule for their puppy for the entire day. So it starts at 7 a.m. up until like to the end of the evening. So I'm going to create a landing page to give away this free puppy schedule. So I'm going to go to full page, and I'm going to use this first option here. I'm going to click on customize. So I will create a new segment, and I'm going to call this segment Puppy Bee. I'm going to click on create Puppy Bee. I'm going to click on save. So it's really easy to edit the landing page. Just upload a new image, edit the headline, and make sure to edit the description to match the free guide you're giving away. So I will keep the form simple. I only ask for an email to boost conversions. So I'm going to remove this first name field. I'm going to click these three dots, and I'm going to say delete. So now my freebie is ready to attract new subscribers. I can click on share, copy this URL, and as you can see, this is the final result. So you can create such a landing page in only a few seconds. So that's it for this video, but Flodesk offers a lot of more options. So for example, you can create workflows, so email automation. But if you click on the checkouts tab over here, you can also sell digital products with Flodesk. So if you want me to create some specific tutorials on the workflows or email automation as they're called, or the checkouts feature inside Flodesk, make sure to let me know down below in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.